Isidumbu salentombazanyana ebifunda uGrade R satholakala silahle esigangeni sigoqwe ngendwangu egcwele igazi sikwazwe ngescrewdriver ekhanda. Umphumela wokuhlolwa kwesidumbu ukhomba ukuthi lengane yaqale yadlwengulwa ngaphambi kokubulawa.
It really breaks my heart to hear that she was raped first. I so wish if I can have an opportunity to ask these murderers that what happened, what was the start of all this, and I think all the country also have that question, would like to know what was the start, what was the problem.
Umphakathi uthi ukhathazekile ngokwanda kwezigameko sokubulawa kwezingane endaweni.
The slaughter of our children is unacceptable, and it must be condemned in the strongest possible terms. What happened to Lolita can only be attributed to the wickedness, to the sinfulness and the vileness of man.
Abebemfundisa esikoleni bathi hube ingane ebihlezi jabule.
Lolita was a light, a joyful, funny, confident, and a cheeky little soul who left behind more than memories. She left love.
Abasonwa ababili ababoshwa ngokubandakanyeka ekubulaweni kwalentombazanyana basagcinwe esitokisini bazobuyela enkantolo yeMantshasa eKhayelitsha ngoLwesihlanu.